You mind if I get like a little top for it? I'll take the spoon. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yes, I indeed got Dairy Queen on a rainy day. I have something I want to talk about. It's just been on my mind and it's been circulating a lot. And I decided to just say, alright, let's just make a video about it. Maybe it'll like shut my mind up a little bit. The topic is being single. Personally, it's okay being single. This is not mixed well. I got me a strawberry cheesecake Oreo blizzard with whipped cream on top. And I probably shouldn't be eating this at all. Like at all. But doing anyways because it's a rainy day. Been feeling down. And usually sweets like this cheers me up. I'm feeling all jittery already, so once I'm done with this and get home, I'll probably like finish editing a video. I'll probably edit this one and put it up. What were we talking about? Oh yeah, being single. I feel like being single, you should know that it is inevitable. Inevitable? Am I saying it right? Inevitable that you'll find your person. You just don't know when. But you just need to remember, every pot has its lid. And how I think of it is, if I knew an exact day of when I'll find my partner, I would probably cherish these last couple of days of being single more, honestly. So that's how I'm treating it. I'm cherishing myself a lot. Mostly because once I do find that partner, I will not have this much time on my hands by myself. And if I do have time, I would have to like most likely go through her. Most of the time the woman runs the house, and I feel like that makes sense because happy wife, happy life, right? That's what I'm thinking. That's how I see all shows going, like. But yeah, right now I'm just making decisions on my own and doing stuff on my own happily. But don't get me wrong though, there'll be days that I feel super lonely, like to the max. It's like, dang, I really wish I had a partner. But at the same time, I'd rather protect my peace than to be with a partner that's like toxic, argumentative, or like just not at my level spiritually. You know what I mean? So right now I'm just enjoying my peace. What else can I talk about? Man, if you're single right now, enjoy it. If you're not single right now, enjoy it. It sucks being single. Like, be good to your partner. That's your partner for life. Shit. Honestly, oh, he's getting ice cream too? Oh my gosh, I don't feel alone anymore. I found my peoples. I'm telling you, it's a lot of lonely people out here. Or maybe he has his like family at home and he's just picking up ice cream. I don't know. You can't assume. What the heck? But anyhow, I'm just making this video because I feel like I wish I saw a video like this before I messed up. Yeah. And if you're in a relationship and you're not happy in it, either fix it or kill it. It sounds crazy, I know, but hear me out. You either fix it, make sure that y'all are on the same page, because y'all gonna be in each other's life forever and never and ever and ever. Oh, it's like me. Or you kill it and deal with the pain. It's painful, I know it is. Even if you aren't happy in that relationship, even when you're the one that ended it, you're gonna feel the pain. Dang, it just started thundering. You're gonna feel the pain, trust me. I know I'm feeling the pain. But it's okay though, feel the pain. Do not distract yourself too much. There's there's like a little window of where you're okay to distract yourself, because that shit hurts too much to be not distracting yourself. But when you do distract yourself, you distract yourself with good habits. Or not, it doesn't even have to be good habits, honestly. Just something that's healthy. Don't let it be something unhealthy. For example, healthy is watching episodes, shows, going out with friends. Unhealthy, smoking, drinking, a lot. Finding new partners that don't really go to your standard, but you're just doing it because you don't want to be alone. It's just unhealthy. Even though it does fill the gap of you not feeling lonely, it just long term it doesn't really pan out well. But hey, to each their own. I'm currently just doing my best to just fix myself, honestly. I tried fixing what I was in before, but it just didn't pan out how I wanted it to be. So he went in there by himself. He got a whole little milkshake by I'm not by myself. Yo, this pandemic is worse than we think it is. Like, there's too many single people out here by themselves. Man, my wife needs to hurry the hell up, because it sucks being by yourself and doing a lot of things Dolo. But don't get me wrong, being Dolo is cool and all. Sometimes it helps to be on your own timing, but like, dang, I want to share my life with somebody already. Like, hurry up. Like, where you at? Where you at? All right, I'm done. That was my little TED Talk, and something I just wanted to get off my chest. And I love to use this channel to get stuff off my chest, because this is just stuff that I think to myself. Like, I have these conversations by myself. I'm like, can I just start a conversation with someone else, or like my peoples, if I end up having peoples? Because I know for a fact I'm not the only one feeling like this. There's no way. Yeah. I'm gonna go home, edit this video, post it, edit another video that I'm working on It's Just a Board.
Recording started.
Shut up. Yeah, just be happy. Don't take life too serious, but don't take it too unserious, because this is your life. It's real life. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. All right, bye.